Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a simple Christmas sweater nail set. This set was easy to do and it didn't take me long to do at all. For the first finger, I decided to just do 2 snowflakes. In my last video, I did a more in-depth snowflake tutorial, so I'm not going to do that this video. I'm just going to let you guys watch.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. By the beach like Odell. No, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
I decided to do my pinky the same way that I did my pointer. Right now I'm just doing all of the French tips, which is going to be the rest of the nails, my thumb, my middle, and my ring finger. These are going to have the sweater design on them, so right now I'm just drawing the French tip in white. Since the French tips on this set are basically going to be covered, I'm not going to worry about them being super perfect as far as the lines because they're going to be covered, so you're not going to be able to see them.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more with my heart. You think we ever be so crazy? I'm letting down my blood.
Now that I'm done with the French tips, I am going to apply matte top coat only to the French tip. If you want the full nail to be matte, then you would just apply the matte top coat to the full nail, but I only want my French to be matte because matte looks better with the sweater design, so that's what I did. And then this is where I am drawing the sweater design. It was very easy. You can honestly just freestyle this part. It doesn't have to be exactly like how I did mine. So what I am doing is first I took a very thin liner brush and I drew 2 vertical lines. And then in the middle of those 2 vertical lines is where I'm going to do my sweater design, and I just freestyled it. And then once you're done with that, on the sides of the 2 vertical lines, you're just going to draw diagonal lines. Once you're done drawing the sweater design and it looks the way you want, do not cure it until you add the acrylic powder. This is clear acrylic powder that I am adding on top of the design that I just did. I'm just using a cuticle pusher to do that. And then once you have the whole design covered, you're then going to cure it. And then once you're done curing it, you're going to dust off any excess acrylic powder, and then that's basically the sweater design. It's very simple to do.
get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I will be.
For my middle finger, I wanted to do this type of lace design, I guess you could call it, where I'm just basically adding lines that look like lace to the sides. I'm going to do 3 on this side and then 3 on the other. And then in the middle, I'm going to do a bow to make it, I'm going to add a bow charm to make it look like the lace is coming from the bow.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretend.
Now I'm adding glossy top coat. Make sure when you do this, not get the glossy top coat on top of the sweater design because it will ruin the effect of it. This is how the nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.